We're gonna McDonald's.
Yeah!
Let's go. We're actually in McDonald's, see? Bro, what taking so long? Bro, it's been 10 minutes and they're not coming. Oh my god. Bro, this is... Oh my god, how you do that? I'm done. No. Our Happy Meal is here. Let's go. Our Happy Meal and toys. Let's go. The toy I got is a fire truck. Let's open it. Let's go. It's difficult. Okay, I got it. Don't worry. Look how cool is the toy.
Yeah, thank you.
Also came up. I know. Oh yeah, it came up. I don't know, it's a firefighter.
Sausage!
Stop it, be quiet. I don't like him that much. Look at this. Nice car. Super nice. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's so cool. We're gonna play this later. We're gonna eat now. Chicken burger. Oh, this is my favorite burger ever. Coke, of course. And a Happy Meal. And let's dig in. Guys. Ice cream, let's go. Ice cream. Look. So good. 10 out of 10.
The broken teeth!
It's good. Good. Let's see more in the Happy Meal.
Put ketchup, bro. I put
Chicken
ketchup here.
nuggets. Let's go.
Put ketchup.
I'll get barbecue chicken. Barbecue.
Kaldang pa to eh.
Let's go.
Bali, may apat na chicken burger.
Try chicken nuggets. Let's try.
Sprite eh, baksak natin.
Dito na lang.
So good. Good. I rate it out
Lagyan mo ng tissue,
of
daming tissue.
9.5. It's really good. Another bite.
Teka lang.
Oh. So good.
Uy, this is for us.
So good. It's a little bit good. Let's drink Coke.
Yes!
Let's try.
Eat na eat guys.
So good. Life hack. We got ice cream. Put French fries. Let's try. Oh, so good. Wait, what? Try this one. So good.
Yung mga yung dahilan. Yung ate.
Big tasty sauce. So good. I love it. Oh, drink. Last one, the ice cream.